Zinka Logistics Solutions Limited is a Bengaluru-based company that owns the Blackbuck app, a digital platform for truck operators. Their IPO opened on November 13, 2024, and closed on November 18, 2024. Here are some key details: price band, 259 to 273 per share, issue size, fresh issue of 4.08 crore shares, aiming to raise 1,114.72 crore, lot size, 54 shares, requiring a minimum investment of 14,742 for retail investors. Subscription status: the IPO was subscribed 1.7 times overall on the final day. Retail investors showed strong interest with 1.52 times subscription, while qualified institutional buyers, QIBs, subscribed 2.76 times their portion. 1. Listing date: the shares are set to be listed on the BSE and NSE on November 22, 2024. The company plans to use the proceeds for sales and marketing costs, product development, and general corporate purposes. If you want to fetch latest IPO issues from NSE website in Python, then check video related to this profit at a YouTube channel or check through URL link in the description. If you have doubt regarding this video, comment below. If you have any queries or requirements, please do contact me direct through WhatsApp number link in the description.